Welcome to our video on unleashing the power of the Amazon affiliate program. Whether you have a blog, website, or social media platform, this program can boost your earnings in no time. The Amazon affiliate program allows you to earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. It's a win-win situation. You earn money and Amazon gets more customers. Signing up for the program is quick and easy. Simply visit the Amazon Associates website and create an account. Once approved, you'll gain access to a wide range of products that you can promote. Now, let's talk about the advantages of the Amazon affiliate program. Firstly, Amazon is a trusted brand with a massive customer base. People are more likely to purchase through your affiliate links because they trust Amazon for its quality and reliability. Secondly, there's a vast variety of products to choose from. Whatever your niche or audience, you'll find products that align perfectly. This makes it easier to promote items that your audience is likely to be interested in. Furthermore, Amazon provides you with tools and resources to optimize your earnings. You can track your clicks, conversions, and commissions through the Amazon Associates dashboard. This allows you to see what's working and make necessary adjustments to maximize your revenue. Additionally, by joining the program, you're not limited to promoting physical products. You can also earn commissions on digital products such as Kindle ebooks and MP3 downloads. To be successful with the Amazon affiliate program, it's important to create high-quality content that engages your audience. Be honest and authentic in your reviews and recommendations, and always provide value to your viewers. Joining this program means you can turn your passion into profits. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start boosting your earnings with the power of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you grow your online business.